Dancing on the beat.
Oh, we cannot face the open road. We'll always wind away. We read between the lines.
Are you okay? Just look me in my face and tell me what you think. And I'm still pouring drink because y'all still can't feel my pain. I wish all this shit can go just down the drain. And free all my boys who still locked up in them chains. Remember the night she was alone walking in that rain. Still to this day I know you didn't change. So what's my name? How did all your memory really go blank? All this fuck shit, man, you know it's fake. So I go to sleep with that Drake. I just need some time just to stay awake, just to find out where I really need to be. See, I don't know why I even had to see, why I had to be, why this shit couldn't just be a fucking dream, why this had to be reality and make me scream. So I asked myself, am I still between the lines? Am I blind? Or did I just realize all the lies? Cause I had to open up my eyes.
Oh, we cannot face the open road. We'll always wind away. We're learning to accept what we can't change. The story of our life. We read between the lines.
Every day I ask myself, am I okay? When I look up in that mirror, see that tear coming up off my face. Then I pray to the Lord that I don't die today. That's just why I sleep with that 38. Fuck it, man, I had to grab the cake. Man, I really hope the DEA don't run my name. In case you didn't know, I really did change. Since all this shit, it been going so crazy, you can't feel my pain.